Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy a house in realestate.com.au. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off the video. You can't buy a house directly on realestate.com.au. It is a tool to find houses you'd like to buy, and then basically you're going to contact the agent for that house. So in order to do this, come over to realestate.com.au. Now make sure in the buy tab and then search your suburb, postcode or state where you'd like to buy a house. So for this demonstration, I'm going to buy one kind of where I live here in my location, so Salisbury, and then I'm going to go in and click search. Now we can use filters here, so we can choose property type. So if I want to look for a house, I'm going to have house ticked, or if I'm not sure, I might want to go villa, apartment or unit. You can have multiple options here. You got your price, so you got your minimum and maximum. So I'm going to set my minimum of say 500k and max at 1 mil, so it's quite a range here. And now only show properties with a price. You can check that too, or you can uncheck it and you can contact the property owners and put in a offer. Now bedrooms, I want at least 2 bathrooms. That can be whatever. Land size at least 400 meters squared. Now we've got features we can check, and yeah, basically go down the list and fill that out. Then from there, go in and click onto search. Now from here, it's going to take us to the search results for all the searches within your parameters inside of filters. So you can see all the houses I can go ahead and check out. But like I said, we can't directly buy on realestate.com.au. We can go ahead and just view the listings. So I'm going to find a house that I might want to check out. So this one here looks nice and neat and clean for an investment property. So you can see the price here, you can see stats about the house, their location. Now we've got a calculator here if you can afford this property. Now we can see travel time, etc. So basically, once you're on the listing page, you want to get in touch with the agent, so the real estate agent here. So you can see that's him here. Could be a she, but depending on your listing. So this one's got over 105 reviews. That's cool. We've got a mobile number. We can go in and get in touch. We can save property too and keep looking and narrowing down our results. So we can go in and click on get in touch. So click on get in touch. Now it's going to say sign in to inquire. So sign in or join to speed up property inquiry. So basically sign in or join. So I'm going to go ahead and join with my Google account. Now once I've done that, I'm going to show exactly how to do this. All right. Here's my Google account here. It's going to sign me up and sign me at the same time. Now, once it has signed me in, it's going to give me the option to what would you like to ask the agent. So basically, you want to write something like this. Hi, Mark, I'm very interested in the property. Say, put in your property address and would like to discuss it further. I'd love to arrange a viewing and get more details about the property, including price expectations and the next steps to make an offer. I'm a serious buyer and ready to move forward once I've had a chance to inspect the home. Please contact me at your convenience by phone or email. So go ahead and say kind regards, your name, and also your phone number and email. You can also say your preference. If you rather be contacted via email, you can put that in, or rather be contacted by phone. That's up to you. Now, before you go ahead and click onto next, it will say what would you like help with. So we can go ahead and we can schedule an inspection here. We can price information, rates and fees, and then go ahead and click next. Now I'm not going to do that because I don't want this message to be sent to him, and because this is just for a demonstration on how to do this.